So another day, another ride, another interesting place that we are going to explore. मैंने घर से चालू नहीं किया रिकॉर्डिंग बिकॉज बैटरी भी बचा सकता था और ऊपर से इट वाज डार्क एंड द सेम ओल्ड हाईवे लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक तो उसकी वजह से आई हैड टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट मोर ऑन द रोड तो आई थॉट लाइक चलो आई start recording once it's little bit we have the light and the roads are also under construction after Thane till Kalyan you can say. So उसके बाद मतलब the highways are like okay decent enough as you can see. So right now we are in Kasara near Kasara Ghat. So once we climb the ghat we'll crossing Igatpuri and then we'll see. It's going to be an interesting location. जितना मैंने मतलब research किया उसके हिसाब से it should be like worth it. So like I said, lot of truck traffic actually. I mean Saturday है weekend है so maybe this is the actual time. I mean in the early morning that's when most of the trucks they enter the city or they leave the city. But थोड़ा बहुत they make the traffic a bit slow. I mean, you can't blame them, but that's the thing. And the thing is that they are supposed to take the left lane. They're supposed to use the left lane only, but India है यहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. So they just go zigzag, which again it's kind of annoying. Well, it happened again. Instead of switching on the record button, I forgot, and I was blabbering like a fool. Oh shit, that was bad. But Marcos handled it very well. That's why he's an adventure tourer. So like I said, again पोपट हो गया मेरे से. I was blabbering a lot of stuff while I was climbing Kasara Ghat, but I forgot to switch on the record button again. Oh god, I don't know when I will get used to it or when I will learn from it. But sorry for that. So we have entered Igatpuri and it's an amazing route. It's an interesting road and an exciting route which takes you to Bandardara Lake and been to this road when I rode to Taked. It's a very beautiful place to be. थोड़ा सा road narrow है but I love riding through this route. So the place that I'm riding to, it's not a tourist or a travel spot or anything like that. It's a very offbeat location. It's just a village, but the scenery would be interesting, and I am hoping that I could capture some good drone shots once I reach there. No, it's like that drawing that we used to do when we were kids at school. वो एक like we drawn a mountain and उसके बीच में से the sun coming out. This is a kind of a scenery that you will get in real life that resemble that picture. Okay, that mountains around. Oh wow! Look at, and then the sun coming out, and then you have like butterflies and dragonflies like that. Majestic, that's the word that's coming to my mind right now. Majestic. I think it's a railway line. Oh no, that's a Mumbai-Nagpur expressway where two-wheelers are not allowed. उसका टनल था वो. Okay. In Maharashtra and in India, we have so many places that we can, explore. Explore as a traveler, as an explorer. I won't suggest being a tourist. Go explore. So that's what I was saying. Like in India, especially in Maharashtra, since I am in Maharashtra, there are like so many places that I'm still left to explore and ride to. So that's the beauty of Maharashtra, and especially once the monsoon starts, there are so many interesting places that we can go and explore and have a good time. It doesn't have to be a touristy place or a you know that kind of a commercial holiday spot. It could be a very offbeat village like where I'm going right now today. That's the beauty of Maharashtra. That's why I love Maharashtra. Not just Maharashtra, but in India especially. But the only thing is that the crowd, they just once the place becomes a bit famous, the crowd just make sure that you make sure they spoil the beauty of that location. Let's take a right. Bandardara 25. But that being said, I'm very much a beach guy. But Hamisha, riding to a same kind of a beach place, it's going to be boring for not me, but if I'm showcasing it through my vlogs or a video or a reel, it kind of gets boring, right? So that's why I have to mix it up a little bit with such places as well. And it's not like we have to, or I have to just explore only beach. I have to explore such places as well, such beautiful villages and offbeat locations as well. Straight roads, beautiful mountains around, sun on my left. What more do you need? I hope the map doesn't take me through some dead end road. The money, Bari. I hope I pronounce it right. Bari. This is a State Highway 23. That's what I just saw. State highways are actually better than the national highways, to be honest, even though it's just a single lane road. It's a concrete road. Christy. Yeah, this road takes you to Takip. It was a mix of a off-roadish road, but it was fun. And during the monsoon, it's like too much fun. Not so fun for the people who live there, but for somebody with an off-road motorcycle or a car, they're going to have some fun because of the broken patch.